Morning, guys. Out here delivering materials to the site. We're gonna be starting on Monday. Couldn't get up here Thursday because we got so much rain. So my dad was nice enough to come with me. Say hi to everybody, Dad. He was nice enough to come with me to help me deliver this material. So we gotta put all this on the ground. We gotta get all this stuff in the ground by Tuesday. So got our work cut out for us. So my dad again was nice enough to come with, give me a hand. So we'll be back on Monday, guys. Have a good rest of the weekend. See you.
Morning, YouTube. Welcome back. Good to see you guys. It's been a few weeks for me. Hope you guys all had a great Christmas. So today we're working on a job called Brandonville up in Shenandoah, PA, in coal country. We're gonna be doing another At&t build. We'll have alright, sounds good. So Ed's working on getting all the stone stripped. He said there's 2B and modified, so it's separated. Anyway, we're going to be putting in an At&t pad for a generator and a shelter again, like we did a couple jobs ago. Also, we're going to be running in a pipe over there to a handhold. We have some forming to do. Today we're going to work on our ground ring and put our pipes in for inspection. Tomorrow we'll backfill, compact everything, and then we'll start working on our forms, put our steel in, and get ready for concrete. Alright guys, so we got all the stone and fabric stripped out and removed from where the pad's going to be, and we oversized it by a couple feet all the way around to give us some room. Now Ed still has to strip some stone that way for our pipe run, and here in a second we're going to get all of our layout done, put in pins, set up the string line so we know the exact location for our pipe. So on this job we plan on going about a little different. Usually we put our ground ring in first and then we go back and put our pipe in, but we're going to try something a little bit different, and we're going to put our pipe in first. That way we don't have all these piles of dirt to work around, and we can get a better location of where our pipe needs to come up into the concrete at. So we got laid out for exactly where we need our pipes to come up. So that's going to be the generator, which we'll put in those pipes later. That's going to be the fiber pipe there, and that's going to be the power pipe. Now, originally we were going to try to dig in the pipes first and not do any grounding, but after we laid this out and looked at it, we realized we better just do them both together. So Ed's going to dig some of the ground ring in and the pipe at the same time. So scratch that, guys. We're gonna go about it completely differently now. Now hopefully we don't get into too much rock, because all around this compound there's huge boulders, which tells us there's rock. And right now we are currently working on the cut side of the hill. Well guys, we're working about 2 hours north of home, and back home it's been cold this weekend. The high I think was like 30 degrees, it's cold for us in Pennsylvania. Now where we're working today, it was supposed to be in the mid-teens to early 20s all day, but we got lucky, it's in the 30s, the sun's coming in and out. So today the weather ain't too bad, we got lucky. Try to make the most of it. It's gonna be a long day. As Ed's been digging, I've been working on grounding. I got a good amount of it done. Still got to put in 3 more rods and do a lot of the grounding on that side. I got to put 2 more whips here for the radio heads, and then some whips over there for the generator. But the fence post on this one don't get any whips because we're more than 6 feet away from it. So now we're going to work on putting our 2-inch pipe in and our 4-inch pipe in, and then we'll continue our ground ring. long enough, guys.
Perfect H-tap.
I got the ground ring 100% done, and while I was doing that, Ed's been working on the trench for our pipe. Our goal here today is to get all of our pipe in, all of our grounding's already done, and tomorrow we have an inspection at 10, 10:30, so we would have time to do it in the morning, but right now, guys, it is beautiful out, it's sunny, no idea the temperature, but the bids are off. It's a lot nicer out, so we might as well stay late today, get done as much as we can, and sit here in the truck in the warmth tomorrow morning while I wait for our inspection. Well guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll be back on site. I'm gonna go home, but right by our site we noticed some big fans blowing in the wind. So we came by to check them out. All over northeast Pennsylvania, got these wind turbines, help generate electricity. Hey guys, just want to wish everybody a happy new year. Have a safe holiday, don't drink and drive.
This will be our last video for this year. Although the job, we do have more footage coming out for this job that you'll see after the new year. But thanks all our subscribers, really appreciate it. Everybody's been so good to us. Travis Macy, Mr. Mikey, William Harris from Sassafras Valley, Dirt Brute, Construction Machinery Channel. Who am I forgetting, Brandon?
Of course, Jason Works a Lot.
Jason Works
Mike
a lot.
from Dirtperfect, can't forget them.
Yep.
Captain Kleeman.
Captain Kleeman. Dirt Boss up there in New York. Dozer Dennis. Oh man, if I'm forgetting you, it's just because I'm old and absent-minded.
Can't remember anything.
But we'll catch you with the rest of this job after the new year. But please like and subscribe, man. We appreciate your support, guys.
Couldn't do without you guys. Thank you
very much.
Have a good New Year's Eve.